I don't know. We'll stick with that. Hold on. Okay, that's a decent angle, I assume, I guess. Right? Decent? Should be decent. This is a submission match between Android 18 and Lollipop Chainsaw. Non-title. As we see Android 18 prepare for her match against Chun-Li in a submission match at Extreme 3. That's one of... Well, every title is always on the line at every pay-per-view. Just to let you know. But this is going to be really, really interesting to see. Because Android 18 has been putting out some submission holds, but Chun-Li has also been, displaying her arsenal. I wonder how it's going to play out for one of these sides. Anyway, here comes the champion, Android 18. Opponent comes to the ring right now. Juliet, Starling, Lollipop Chainsaw, breaking it down on her way to the ring. Pom-poms and everything. Now, Lollipop Chainsaw, an incredible athlete. She really is. Really good in the ring. Hopefully, she can display her arsenal here against Android 18. I don't know how it's going to fare, but we'll see. I think this should be a good match because of their styles. They're not very different, but they're, as a matter of fact, they're very similar. But we're going to see how this plays out. Here we go. Walking over to each other. Oh, and look, Android 18 with the strikes that are quicker. Oh, but a clothesline by Lollipop Chainsaw coming back. Over the ropes. What is this? Pulling her? Oh, back in. What is this? Oh, ow. Ooh, the kidney shots here. Elbows or forearms, I don't know. Oh, man, the backstabber. Damn. That was a nice... Oh, what a kick straight to the face. That was just a vicious kick to the face. Wait a minute. Reversal by Lollipop Chainsaw, now off the ropes. Nice move. Damn. Oh, drop kick to the back now. Lollipop Chainsaw in control. Back suplex. Punch. Damn, those punches. Ooh, punches again. Dropping Android 18. Drop kick that time. No. Missing it. Ooh. Now Android 18 gonna bring it back here. What is this? Oh, that signature face buster that she loves so much. Net breaker that time. From behind now. Look at the... Oh, man. Oh, and another huge boot. Elbow to the skull now. What is this? Back suplex. Center of the ring. And Android 18 trying to put him in a clinic right now. Certainly is. Another back suplex there by Android 18. Ooh, punch to the head. Punch to the head again. Opposite corner now. Wait a minute. Reversal. Punch to the head from Lollipop Chainsaw. Gonna flip her over now. Ooh. And she goes, kicks to the gut, and look at this moonsault off the top. Nice. Oh, drop kick to the leg now. Coming off the ropes once again. Oh, and a super kick. And now, oh wait, now she's gonna do this. Just embarrassing the champion right now. Going up top. Oh wait. Ooh, dodging it. Ooh, dodging it. Oh, back and forth they go. Why do you keep doing kicks, you dumb fuck? Not what I'm doing. Seriously. Whatever. Swanton off the top there. And now picking on her opponent. Making fun of the rookie. Both of them, well, Android 18 hasn't been here for that long, but she's been here long enough. At least long enough to earn the championship. Wait a minute. Dodging the kick and a German suplex. And a spinning leg drop. I like that. Nice move. Ooh, missing. What is this? Android 18. Oh no. Oh. Facebuster again. Android 18 just putting on a display of violence here. Going underneath the ring now. Looking for a chair. Wait a minute. That was what the fuck? They just don't let me do anything I want anymore this game. The last match is okay, but this is bullshit. You know what? Fuck it. I'm done. It's really annoying when I'm trying to do stuff cool, but the game won't let me do it for whatever reason. So just whatever. I tried. Spinebuster right there by Android 18. Dominating right now. Look at that. I know she has a springboard in her arsenal and they're not letting me do it. Like, it's annoying as fuck. I'm not even going to commentate because every time I try to call something, it's not happening. What I'm trying to do is not working. So I'm not talking. No more. physical match here. A very physical match. Look at this. Neckbreaker, nice. Elbows to the back. for another one. Oh man, missing the kick. See, I'm done. No more commentating again, because I just tried to do something again and it didn't work. Again. Guess when I talk, I can't do the thing I'm used to doing, that I've done in over 100 videos. But hey, no, clearly I don't know what I'm doing. Obviously not. Going for Chainsaw Charlie again, got her. Nice. Oh, with the table. There you go, this is a better spot right here. Oh no! Wow, she jumped a little too late, ladies and gentlemen. Oh man. Just like freaking frog splash through the table. I don't know if she's going for like a back cross body or what, I don't know. And she's down, and Andrea T says, screw that wasn't enough, we're going to get another table. Bringing another table in. Oh, kick to the gut now. Oh, elbow to the head, you see that elbow. On the top. Doesn't look good. Oh my lord. Oh no. Like a muscle buster through the table. Look at this. Just perfect though going through. And Andrea T feels it. And now once again making fun of her opponent. What is this? Oh, kick to the gut. And Lollipop Chainsaw is done in, folks. Look at this. Oh no! On the wreckage of the table with that power bomb. And here it comes. Oh, the hyper beam to the face. Damn. Hyper beam to the face. Now I'm gonna drag her away from the ropes. This may do it, folks. She got locked in once again. Is she gonna get out of this? Is she gonna get out? No, she's not. She's tapping. She's tapping. I don't blame her. I don't blame her. Damn. Andrea T just... That was a good match. I enjoyed that. Me not talking. So breathe. Look at this. Chainsaw Charlie right there. Now watch this muscle bust through the table. Look at this. Nice. Here's the power bomb. Oh, on the wreckage of the table. And that beast fight locked in, put her out. What a match that was. Well, up next is the main event, which is a tag team match between Goku and Naruto taking on Super Boo and Sub-Zero. Hopefully stay tuned for that.